Well done, little bear. Written by Martin Waddell, illustrated by Barbara Firth. Once there were two bears, Big Bear and Little Bear. Big Bear is the big bear and Little Bear is the little bear. One day Little Bear wanted to go exploring. Little Bear led the way. Little Bear found Bear Rock. "Look at me," Little Bear said. "Where are you, Little Bear?" asked Big Bear. "I'm exploring Bear Rock," Little Bear said. "Watch me climb." "Well done, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "I need you now, Big Bear," Little Bear shouted. "I'm jumping." "I'm here, Little Bear," said Big Bear. Little Bear jumped off Bear Rock into the arms of Big Bear. "I'm off exploring again," Little Bear said, and he ran on in front of Big Bear. Little Bear found the old bendy tree. "Look at me," Little Bear said. "I'm bouncing about on the old bendy tree." Little Bear bounced on the branch. "Watch me bounce higher, Big Bear," Little Bear said. "Well done, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "Are you ready, Big Bear?" Little Bear called to Big Bear. Little Bear bounced higher and he bounced off the branch right into the arms of Big Bear. "You got me again," Little Bear said. "Well done, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "I'm going exploring some more," Little Bear said. Little Bear found the stream just by the dark bit. "I'm going over the stream," Little Bear said. "Look at me, Big Bear. Look at me crossing the stream by myself." "Well done, Little Bear," said Big Bear. Little Bear hopped from one stone to another. "I'm the best hopper there is," Little Bear said. Little Bear hopped again and again. "Take care, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "I am taking care," Little Bear said. "Little Bear!" called Big Bear. Spelloosh! "Help me, Big Bear!" Little Bear cried. Big Bear waded in and he pulled Little Bear out of the water. "Don't cry, Little Bear," Big Bear said. "We'll soon have you dry." He hugged Little Bear. "Let's go exploring some more, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "Exploring where?" Little Bear asked. "On the far side of the stream," said Big Bear. "Take care, Big Bear, you might fall in like me," Little Bear said. "Not if you show me the stone where you slipped," said Big Bear. "It was this stone," Little Bear said. "Well done, Little Bear," said Big Bear. Big Bear and Little Bear explored their way home through the woods, all the way back to the bear cave. Big Bear and Little Bear settled down cozy and warm in the bear chair. "Were you scared, Little Bear?" asked Big Bear. "Were you scared when you fell in the water?" "I knew you'd be there," Little Bear said. "That's right, Little Bear," said Big Bear. "I'll be there when you need me. Always."